Hello everyone, I'm happy and glad that I finally managed to make this kimchi making video and share with you. I'm Korean but I'm living here in Malaysia. To be more exact, I have been living here for the last 11 years and I most probably will live here forever. Since I'm taking care of my two 8-year-old twin girls, I always needed some creative ideas of how I can spend valuable time with them plus having fun. As most moms would know, kids love to cook. I'm willing to support their passion, although cooking with the kids isn't always a fun journey as it sounds, but in reality, it always requires mom's humongous patience. Today, I prepared 2 whole cabbages and now my girls are helping me to cut them. This is my own improvising way though. I separate the stalks and the leaves into 2 separate containers. The reason for this is because of their varying thickness. Actually, this is just tedious, yet not so difficult. So why not leave these chores up to your kids for fun activities and developing motor skills at the same time? In fact, this is my girls' most favorite part among the entire procedure whenever I make the kimchi with them. When you make kimchi, the whole process can be divided into 3 main steps. First, you should trim the cabbages and sprinkle heavily with salt. I use 200 ml of coarse salt, which you can simply get from any marts around you in Malaysia. Approximately 3 to 4 hours later, it will naturally produce water by osmotic pressure, then the leaves become softer and soggy. This is what you get after 2 to 4 hours later. Unfortunately, later that night, I became too tired, so I ended up keeping the cabbages in the fridge. Then the next morning, I woke up early to check if my cabbages is fine. Then again, things cropped up, so I had to push it back to the fridge once more. For your information, it is totally fine to keep the drained kimchi in the fridge for hours, and it happens all the time in real Korean life as well. Okay, now finally we all set to resume my kimchi again. Before anything, I quickly made my Korean instant coffee first. It is kind of a ritual thing before starting my daily routines. Without this, my brain would go foggy. I'm quite sure many Korean people relate to my feeling the instant coffee power. My kids are super excited because I told them that they can peel, wash, and even cut the veggies literally all by themselves. But then a minute later, they immediately dropped off the knife and back up from the sink upon my warning that the chili gonna make their fingers burn. Now they seem to drop their robust spirit already. Alright, now I'm preparing the second part, which is making the sauce. Get ready 100 grams of garlic, half piece of an apple, 4 to 5 pieces of onions, 4 bursts of garlic, 15 numbers of red chili. After all, they are all gonna be ground later, so you can simply chop them regardless of any shape. Once your chopped veggies are ready, you will need to boil 500 ml of water, including 1 big scoop of rice and 2 pieces of chicken stocks. Actually, this is gonna be a secret part of making kimchi, as no one hardly can guess kimchi has some rice in it. This rice acts as a probiotics, which is helping kimchi's enzyme process. Apart from these, you will also need 1 whole radish, a bundle of spring onion chopped nicely. These will be added to the kimchi sauce later. For the stocks, actually it doesn't matter whether it's a chicken or cow or fish, whatever stocks you can get. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now we are almost there. I'm sitting down with the girls on the table to demonstrate the last step. In this moment, you will need a few authentic Korean ingredients. That is chili powder, prawn sauce, and fish sauce. Although you can replace prawn and fish sauce with a Malaysian product, but please make sure not to use Malaysian chili powder. If you want to make kimchi, it is compulsory that you must use Korean chili powder. If you use Malaysian chili powder, then that ends with you getting a Malaysian kimchi instead of Korean kimchi. Then for the last touch-ups, you will need to have tuna extract, salt, and sugar. What I'm showing over here is all about mix up, and grind them all together. Once more, what you're gonna grind all together, the water with the rice, garlic, ginger, then this prawn sauce, and then the fish sauce. Okay, everything put it in one big bowl, and I move into the mixer and I'll all grind it. So it's just make a sauce, that's it. When you make a kimchi, you better have one big stainless container like this. And you must have gloves as well. Okay, all the mixed one, you put into the container. Then now, most importantly, this is a Korean chili powder. So today I'm gonna put here about 6 big scoops. Okay, now it's time to mix up the spring onions you chopped before. In this stage, you can always check the taste and adjust the flavors, adding some more tuna extract, sugar, or salt to your preference. Now you put all the cabbages you ready. Then, same thing. You just mix up well, up and down, thoroughly. It is a quite nostalgia moment that it brings my last time memory that my mother always, after she freshly made the kimchi, then let us taste it. So we can add some comments, Mama, we should add some more salt, or it's too salty, or too less salty, something like that. We give her comment. So I did the same thing to my kids, and this is what it happens. The freshly made kimchi isn't that fancy taste yet. It will be very gingery, garlic, and spicy, especially to the kids. Again, you will need to mix them up and down well till all the sauce spreads all over thoroughly. Yeah, well done. Your kimchi is now ready to eat. Very well done. For storage, it would be better to have an airtight container, like in the video. Once you're all done with your cooking, there are 2 things you should remember at this last stage. First, please leave at least 10% of space because it will end up having some water extract or it bloated a little bit as it is going through the enzyme process. Secondly, you should leave the container around 12 hours outside, then only keep it in the fridge for better fermentation. With this video, I do hope as many Malaysian friends and neighbors as possible can watch this video and find out how to make an authentic kimchi in Malaysia using the best suboptimal ingredient I suggested after watching my video. Always you can allocate some of the cooking time to your kids so that you can have quality time with your kids and they can have fun at the same time. I hope you enjoy my video and I will see you in my next video clip. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will see you next time. Bye. Enjoy your kimchi.